Take a walk this morning. See who's been born, who hasn't. I gotta get down here and weed whack all this crap. I'm gonna go that way today. Box line's that way, but I'm going that way. So I heard what sounded like somebody mowing along a trail. So nice down in here though. Deer should be right here somewhere. Pretty thick, ain't it? I'm laying right here. Look at that track. It's not good. This will be a licking branch this year. Guys haven't jumped nothing yet. there where I was building a cabin. I still might. I got some of it started. Down here is the north side of the bog. Well, wetlands. That's the bog. We'll walk to the bridge and then go back. I still own about 20 something acres past the bog. My brook's drying out. A lot of deer used to come through right here just because of that brook. Now there's nothing. Trickle. Somebody's blocking it up here, up that way. This right here, that tree, that's a nice scrape, come fall. I keep my eye on it. This is the other bridge. Well, the bigger bridge. I'm dire in need of some work. My trail goes through here. The house over in there. I own like a 200-foot wide path all the way to this bridge. And then up around the corner. I don't know how safe it is, but we'll walk on it for a minute. Got some big trees up underneath. You go up around that corner, up that way, over towards the housing development. Whisperwood, I think it is, something like that. I own up in there. Yeah, like to cross right up in there, and they come down this far. And they go across here and go up over, or they'll go that way and cross. Pretty good deer habitat. I've seen everything out here. Bobcats, saw a mountain lion over there, believe it or not. I'm not the only one that saw it, so it's not a bullshit story. It's for real. Now we'll head back. That's what it looks like going back. As the trail goes up over the hill and goes around. That's where that cabin is. Well, gonna be a cabin there eventually. Nice trail if you want to get out and walk. I'm selling it all for the right price. Somebody's interested. You're right close to town. I don't think it's even 5 minutes to get in town. You got everything, hardware store, a lumber place, Rite Aid, McDonald's, you name it. It's within 20 minutes of here. But yeah, you got all this wild place. You want to get away from the rat race, take a walk, calm down. It's a place to do it. But I won't bore you on the trip out unless I say something. And I'll save my battery. So, I'll catch you later.